Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. I hope everybody is having a wonderful holiday season so far, and we are just a few days away from the new year. And I'm trying to think of what I'm going to put on my New Year's resolution list. We'll see what that's going to be. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys do New Year's resolutions or try to just, keep it chill and not put too much pressure? I think that's what I'm about this year, is not having too much pressure on my resolutions this year, trying to make them lighthearted. We'll see how that works. But today I'm just going to do a quick cleaning burst. This is the night after Christmas last night, and I did a quick run to Walmart. I had to pick up some stuff, some Gatorades and stuff like that, some drinks for the house, and everything kind of just got piled on the kitchen table. So you did see that. We're going to take care of that first. As always, I always got dishes to do. We did just a pretty easy dinner this night. I just did some chicken with mashed potatoes and some steamed fresh peas, because it was a lot of work the last few days. Between I did some baking for the cookies that I always do. We hosted Christmas dinner this year, so I tried to get as much stuff prepped ahead of time. My potato salad, my mac salad, pineapple stuffing, stuff like that. But then there's just stuff that, you have to make the day of, that's not really a prep kind of meal. But that went well. I think everyone had a fun time. We had a couple games that we did play. I saw it all over Pinterest, so I decided I wanted to do like that little punch tree where you put the little gifts. I'll insert a picture of what that looks like. But we did a little tree that had little prizes in it. Nothing crazy, like little mind puzzles and chapstick, which everybody's needing chapstick right now, because I think most of the country right now is pretty cold, and we feel it here in our house with the heat just constantly running. I think Christmas Eve maybe we're only in like the teens as far as a high temperature, so it was pretty brutally cold, and everybody in the house is just, our voices are raspy, our nose are dry, our lips are dry, our hands are dry, because the heat just will not stop coming on in our house. But I hope, like I said, that you guys have had a wonderful holiday season so far. And let's chat down in the comments down below. Like, what did Santa bring everything that you wanted on your list, or, how everything went? So going to do some dishes, and then, like I said, just kind of a chill cleaning burst if you guys need some motivation to just get some cleaning done real quick, because you know what, it's been a rough few days.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, on and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, breathing out air for a minute, yeah.
So I don't know if you see it here in the middle of the screen. The Stanley Cup, that was apparently Mia's big get. I'll insert a picture here of our Christmas morning at the tree with the presents underneath. One side Mia, one side Nick, my husband's stuff, and I think there was a few things under there for me. But the Stanley Cup, that was one of Mia's big gets that she wanted. I will say I did also splurge and pick up one for myself. I was kind of rebelling against it. I saw everybody with it, and I'm like, it was just a cup. What's the hype? I kind of get it, only because it is helping me to drink more water. And I'm hoping that the price of the cup, I got them, they were 40 or 30 each. I think they were 30 each. And I'm hoping that the price of the cup and not buying bottled water anymore will kind of balance each other out. However, I did see that Office Depot right now has one of the big 40-ounce cups on sale for like $14 or $15. So I'm wondering if maybe I should have tried that one instead, because it was a little cheaper. But anyway, going back to the big gets on the Christmas list. So Mia, on her list, everything was practical. She wanted the mug for so she could drink more water. She wanted the IQ Oral-B toothbrush that hooks up to her phone and tells her if she's brushing too hard or just right, and she gets medals for brushing. And I'm like, okay. If that's what you want. I mean, maybe I'm old school and I just, shimmy, shimmy, sleep. I think we were all taught that for brushing our teeth, but it's what she wanted for Christmas. So I was like, all right. And then Nick's big gets, he wanted it's the Pyramid of Giza. I always forget. I'm always like, the tower, and I'm like, no, it's the Pyramid of Giza Lego set. So that's what he wanted as his big get. He wanted a cowbell, which automatically the SNL skit with Christopher Walken pops right in my head for that. But so I got him the cowbell, and my sister-in-law was like, what are you doing to yourself? You get your kid a cowbell and drumsticks. So I'm like, yeah, it's just, I'm kind of just a glutton for punishment for that one. But it's what he wanted, so I figured, why not? I mean, he plays his drums already, so I think I can tune out a cowbell as well, but we'll see how it goes. And a bonsai tree. He wanted a bonsai tree. Fingers crossed that it will be okay until we can put it outside in the warmer weather. Right now he has it on his sill, so we're hoping it's going to get enough light. I think it's a little too cold for it because it is like a miniature thing, but they say that they'll do really well outside, but we'll see how that goes. Just going to finish up some dishes here, try and get the kitchen all straightened up, and then I'm going to just do a quick straighten up in the living room. Things weren't too bad, so for the most part, like I said, just an easy dinner. Mia did a lot of the cleanup for me Christmas night, after everybody had left. I was pretty exhausted, and as soon as my head hit the pillow, I was out, which is very rare for me. So I appreciate that she cleaned up everything for me that night, and I came out the next day to a pretty tidied kitchen and living room. So that was pretty sweet. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Like I said, just the cleaning burst to kind of get a little motivation to get some stuff done. My Christmas decorations will be coming down next week. I'll be working on that all of this week. I'm doing a collaboration with a bunch of ladies on here where we're all going to do a reset for the new year, and that's when my decorations will be coming down. But I'm actually going to take a moment to enjoy the decorations that are up for right now, just because I feel like in the hustle and bustle of everything, I kind of don't get to enjoy the Christmas tree and the Christmas songs and just the decorations that are up and around, and all of the holiday lights, because I feel like I'm just rushing to try and get everything done for Christmas Day. And then finally after Christmas Day is when I feel like I can kind of take a deep breath and relax and enjoy some of the holiday season. I don't know if that's the same for anybody else, but I feel like as moms, you kind of get into the just getting everything done, and now is the time to just get to relax. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see what's going to be coming up next, which, like I said, is going to be a reset, and I'm going to go through and do a major decluttering of everything in my house. So if you're interested in that stuff, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.